So guys, we just finished prepping our ingredients. So I have one Maggi here. I'll test. I don't know if this will be enough, but I think so. This is our onions. So we are going to start by adding our beef. There is no need adding oil because this steak already contains oil. So I'm just going to be adding my onions. So I'm going to be adding one seasoning cube, and 1 little seasoning cube, and salt. So I'll add in my veggies. I just have to stir fry this a little before I add some water. I'm just going to add in a little bit of curry powder. I'm going to add in 1 cup of water. So cover this and allow it to cook. So I added a little chili flakes, just a teaspoon. Like I have that chili taste a little. So we are going to be making our thickener. So this is flour. Just going to add some water. I'm just going to add a little more salt. So at this stage, our filling, this is our filling, is ready. Check out those beauty meat pie looking all pink. Meanwhile, I already have a video where I share how I make my filling. When I was editing, the video was getting too long. I just had to separate the video. That's why we have 2 videos on this recipe. Meanwhile, in my bowl I have 500 gram of flour, 250 gram of butter. Even though it's a little bit not up to, but that's what the recipe says. You can also adjust if you want. So I added 1 egg. I think next time we'll be adding more than 1 egg because that egg I just love the outcome of the meat pie. So I added half a cup of milk, pinch of salt. I forgot to show you guys that. So I just needed everything and I roll it all out. Right now I'm just cutting our meat pie and adding the filling. So I didn't really take you guys all through the process because I was a little bit tired yesterday when I was baking. So that was it. Just add your filling to the meat pie and you cover. and you use your hand to seal it, then you use fork to seal it. That's it. Meat pie is very simple, even though it's super delicious, but it's also very simple. So that's what we are doing right now. I'm just going to repeat this process until we are all done. Yeah, I got about 13 meat pie from this dough. Yeah, I still have a little bit of filling left in the fridge, but for this mixture, yeah, this dough mixture, I got about 13 meat pie. So I'm just going to rub it with some egg, yeah, so that we can have a beautiful meat pie. Abi, what is really the essence of this egg is to make the color beautiful, or just let me know in the comment section. I think it's to give it a beautiful color though. So we are just going to bake for about 40 minutes, yes. And our meat pie came out looking all beautiful, all beautiful and gorgeous. So guys, meat pie is ready. Oh yeah, make your orders. Make your orders. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.